Arc welding. What is arc welding? The process of joining metal to metal with the help of an electric arc is called arc welding. In this welding process, the arc is used to create intense heat, and this heat is used to join the metals together. The arc is brought in between two metal pieces, and due to the heat generated, the metals melt, and when it cools a strong welded joint is formed. Main equipment of arc welding. 1. AC or DC machine. 2. Electrode. 3. Electrode holder. 4. Cables, cable connectors. 5. Chipping hammer. 6. Earthing clamps. 7. Wire brush. 8. Welding helmet. 9. Safety goggles. 10. Hand gloves. 11. Aprons, sleeves, etc. Advantages of arc welding. It has high welding efficiency and speed. It provides a better welding environment. It gives a consistent quality of weld. It forms a strong bond between the joined metals. It has simple welding equipment. The power source is not so expensive. It is a fast and reliable process. Equipment can be used for multiple functions. It is easily portable. Welders can use standard domestic current. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.